You may be wondering how to buy Irish stocks. So I have my Degiro platform open here, as well as eToro. I also have a live account with real money in Degiro as well. But there are a number of the Isaac 20 index of Irish shares in Degiro, which you can buy directly and hold investments over a period of time in them. So I've Kerry Group PLC open here. Now I only have a small account, as you can see. My balance is 169.40. I have 141 20 in my portfolio, and the account was up 3 cents today, so it's not moving an awful lot because it's only a small account, and I've 28.20 available to invest if I want to. So as well as my Degiro, as well as my eToro platform, I also have Degiro because I want to, in time, invest in Irish companies. So Kerry Group PLC, I have it open here, and we're trading at 79.96 at this stage, but they were down over 13.26 or 13.28 the past 52-week trading range. So that's the line chart open here, and you have the company profile, you have the analyst views, financials, ratios, ownership, ESG rating, which is very important to you. But you have to have a live account open in order to be able to see these things, and in order, you can't actually demo trade on the Giro. You have to open a live account and put in real money first before you can see the platform. But if you've ever invested in any other platform, like, it's not an awful lot different to eToro at all. And so you have Bank of Ireland, Delata Group as well as another Irish one, DLAT Group company. So you can see how they're doing as well, and you can see where the company, everything about the company. And I'll go into Bank of Ireland as well. Bank of Ireland. So Bank of Ireland was trading at €9.47 at the time of this video was recorded. So Bank of Ireland has just been up 1.26%. It's the same as any other investing platform. You can either buy or sell, short, go long or short. You can set a limit, a market order. You set your stop loss, a day order, go till cancelled. I always go with go till cancelled, and in the amount of shares. And that's how you invest in them. I'm not affiliated with Degiro or anything, but I do really like the platform, and I just used it coming up on a year.